Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to check all calls recording on Android phone. So let's go. I'm going to click on here now and search for File Manager. File Manager. Then click on File Manager. Then go ahead and click on Browse. Take you right here. Go ahead and click on Audio right here. Then it's take you right here. For every recording that comes with AC, it refers to call recording. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this depends on the time and the number of call recording you have done so far. These are another ones right here. So however, you can also check call recording per contact on your Android phone. So for that, let's exit from here and go ahead and click on our dialer right here. So open up your dialer. So having opened up your dialer, next thing you need to do is to choose the particular contact that you record their call, whether incoming call or outgoing call. So what you need to do is to click on the contact. So I'm going to choose this contact right here. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here. So having clicked on that, it's going to open up like so. Next thing that we're going to do is to click on call recordings. And we have all the recording list for that particular contact right here. 1, 2, 3. So this depends on the number of time you record the call of that particular contact. So you can go on and review as many as possible contact recording so far. So I'm going to go ahead and check on this one also. And then go ahead and click on call recordings. And if you have any recording calls, it's going to be found right here. You can see this one here. I have not recorded anything so far for this particular call right here. So go ahead go back, and then click on this. So click on this contact right here. Click on call recording. Then we have record file list right here. It's that simple. So this is how to check for all calls recording on your Android phone. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.